Just reading a few notes for the hammer. Okay, Mr. Hammer, ready? Do not say, I know where Manchinken there is. No, say, I know where Manchinken is. I know where 99 is. Do you know where 99 is? Do you know where that place is? That's how we ask. I know where it used to be. どこだったって知ってるよ. I know where it used to be. I know where Manchinken used to be. We just came back from the movies, my father said. Remember, my father called during the class. We just came back from the movies. We saw Chloe. Eventually used with time. Eventually he decided to quit his job. Eventually, it happened, right? Eventually is used with time. For example, eventually he decided to quit his job. That means after some time. Ultimately is used after considering many, many things or a group of things. Yeah, considering many things, a group of things. Ultimately, futenba must be moved. Ultimately, futenba must be moved. So after discussing it quite a bit. Cherry blossoms are ingrained in the Japanese mind. Ingrained is 習慣などが身に染みついた maybe? Okay. 根深い ingrained. Good. The Japanese Self-Defense Maritime Force. That's what we say for the Jieitai, right? The Japanese Self-Defense Maritime Force. New word for someone who is acts like a boss. We say he's bossy. He's bossy. Dork or nerd or geek are all kind of a not cool person. A person who is dasai or otaku. He is considered a dork, not a cool person. Okay, very few notes for today. Also remember your almost expressions. We studied a bunch of almost and almost always expressions. Example, almost all Japanese have black hair. And with action, I am almost always on time. I am almost always hungry. Or I almost always wake up at 6 a.m. I almost always doshi. Bidoshi, I am almost always keiyoshi. And almost all meishi, almost all Japanese. Okay, hope this helps. See you next week.